Hey everybody, welcome to my tips on starting a cardiac diet. Making changes to your diet can have a major positive impact on your heart health. And it's not as difficult as you may think. Start by understanding what foods are beneficial to your heart, like lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid red meat, processed foods, and trans fats. Focus on portion of control. Eating smaller meals more often can help keep your hunger under control. This will allow you to stick to a healthy portion and still feel satisfied. Activity is also important. Try to get at least 30 minutes of physical activity a day to keep your heart healthy. This does not have to be anything exhausting. A walk around the block or a few yoga process can make a big difference. Making positive changes to your diet and lifestyle can also have a long lasting health benefits. Adopting better benefits today will ensure your heart stays healthy for years to come. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Kumut Rahang. Please stay tuned. Thank you.